Hello children, we are continuing the chapter in the early cities chapter 4, history chapter. We are continuing that chapter. Then take the page number 38. Today's topic is food of the Harappans. Did you read the chapter? Okay. Now what type of food the Harappan peoples were had? Okay. Mainly the Harappan peoples they used, these were the important crops they used. One is wheat, pulses, rice, linseed, then barley, peas, sesame and mustard. These were the important crops used by the Harappan peoples. Those people who were living in the lower area, they are growing all these things. Okay. We know that the people who are lived in lower area, they were the local people, and those people who are living in high area, citadel, they were known as the rulers. So the local people are growing these kind of crops, and this is the major food items of the Harappan peoples, which are that wheat, pulses, rice, linseed, barley is there, peas, sesame and mustard. So these were the important crops and these are the food items. And for growing this, that means we understood that the main occupation of the Harappan people is the farming. So for growing this, they need a special equipment. That equipment is known as plough. So this plough was also used by the Harappan people, but this it is made up with the wood. This plough is made with the wood. So this is a plough. Now the earlier times the Harappan peoples they use this plough, but this is the wooden plough. And for this we came to understand that the Harappan people's main occupation is farming, and rather than this farming, the people were also done the sheep rearing. They reared the sheep, that is sheep rearing, then hunting, then fishing. Hunting, fishing and farming also. These are the important occupation of the Harappan people. Okay. So main occupation of the Harappan people is, the first important one is farming. That's why they have many of the crops we had. Now fishing is also there, then hunting, then sheep rearing. Sheep and goat is also reared. So sheep and goat rearing. So these are the important occupation of the people, and the people used plough for farming and mainly the wooden plough. They used wooden plough for ploughing the field. Now we are moving to the next area, and these are the important occupation and these are the important crops. And rather than this, a special fruit were also used that area, that is known as bar. This is known as bar. Bar is an important fruit also consumed by the Harappan peoples. These were the food items they consume, but this is an important fruit they consume. Okay. Now we are moving on to the next city, that is Dholavira. We already studied now, Harappan studied, completed, Mohenjo-daro Great Bath we completed, Kalibangan we had, fire altars, then Lothal we studied, storehouses is there, we already completed. Now the next city is Dholavira. Dholavira is an important city which is situated in, presently it is in Gujarat. And here it is very important that we know that already Harappan cities are divided into two, but Dholavira the cities are divided into three parts. In Dholavira the Dholavira cities are divided into three parts. One is already we know that citadel, then second one the lower town, and the next third one is an open area where certain ceremonies are being held. Okay, so these were the three important part of the cities. The first part is the citadel, where the ruling peoples are living, rulers are live. Then next one is lower town. Here the local peoples are living. Then the third one is the open area, where certain ceremonies or any functions are done. Okay, ceremonies are being held in this open area. So this is the only speciality of the Dholavira city. In the Harappan cities, Dholavira is the only place where these three division of city we can found. Understood? Now another important city is Lothal. We already know that in Lothal we have fire altars and also the storehouses. Rather than this, another important feature of the Lothal city is dockyard. This is known as the dockyard. This is dockyard. Dockyard meaning where the small ships or small boats are there. They are taking the goods from another country or another places and keeping here, like port. So dockyard meaning it's like a port. So this is an important port in Lothal. Another important dockyard or port was also there. Clear, children? So these are the major cities. Now we are moving to the next category, that is what happened with this civilization, how it come to an end. So that is the causes of failure. Failure meaning how it collapsed. Okay, so mainly around 3,900 years later, after the civilization, 3,900 years later, people stopped living these areas. These all the areas people they stopped living, and also sometimes some peoples gave up from there and they gone to some other area. Their wells, houses, it's not being used by the people. And also some of the raw materials, we know that they are getting the raw materials from different parts of the country, and also these people are depending on different parts of the country. So that also be now, whichever the raw materials are used by these people, now it is not easily available for them. So these were the important causes for the failure. But archaeologists and scholars later they studied more and they find out that these are the important reasons for the failure of Harappan civilization. First one is the rivers are dried up. Mainly the Harappan civilization people were the farmers. So that farmers they require water. So normally mainly they will depend on water, that is river. So the rivers dried up. Then deforestation. For growing more crops, what the people are doing? They are cutting down the trees. So that causes one of the another important reason. Then overgrazing by the large herds of goats, then cattle, then sheep. Okay, so overgrazing by the large herds of goats, then cattle and sheep. Then flood. Flood is also an important reason. Then maybe some scholars suggest that maybe some outside attackers came and they destroyed all the area. So these are the important reasons for the cause for the failure of the Harappan civilization. Okay, the first one is it rivers dried up. The second reason is deforestation. Third reason is overgrazing by the large herds. Then fourth one is flood. Then fifth one is attacks from the outsiders. Or sometimes they are telling that some raw materials which were being used by this Harappan people, now it is not easily available. So they gave up their houses and they gone some area. Clear, children? So this come to an end of the Harappan civilization. Okay. This time itself, when the Harappan civilization was in India, at the time itself in Egypt, another important civilization was there. That civilization is known as Egyptian civilization. That is given in our textbook, page number 41. Here, elsewhere it is given. the same time it also, that is around 5,000 years ago, it is found in Egypt. So this civilization is known as Egyptian civilization. The main characteristics of the Egyptian civilization is that they made the tombs of the rulers, they made as the pyramids. So this is pyramids. And what is that? The bodies, they kept it in the form of they used lots of preservatives and they kept it as mummies. So that's known as mummies, and they were buried in a large this kind of shape. So that is known as pyramids and mummies. When they buried this the rulers, body of the rulers, they kept food, cloth, horses, or sometimes so many ornaments, utensils. What they believed that after death they have another life. So they kept all the things for next life. That's why this Egyptian pyramid. Okay, and this civilization is known as Egyptian civilization, or now it was in Egypt. Clear, children? So this is come to an end of the chapter. Okay, now take your chapter, page number 38, food for people in the cities. Take the first line, take the last line: wheat, barley, pulses, bees, rice, sesame, linseed and mustard. Underline that and write their question. Name the crops. Name the crops. Then next line also underline the tool, a new tool, underline plow. The new word, that also underline plow. Why the plow is using? For digging the earth and for planting seeds. Then the last paragraph full. The Harappans reared cattle, sheep, goat, buffalo. From there to Bur, here. The last full paragraph. Then take the next page, the city of Dallavira. Underline the city of Dallavira. From there to full paragraph underline, and also underline Lothal. Next paragraph Lothal underline, and here dockyard is given, that also underline. Okay, now take the next page. Here seal and sealings is given, that we already studied. So put in bracket. Seals are being used for stamping the bags and the packets. Then mystery of the end. Underline around 3,900 years ago. From there to become rare. Raw materials brought from long distance become rare. So from here 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Put in bracket. From first onwards to fourth till fourth line, keep in bracket. Then the last paragraph full bracket. Write there what are the causes. Question: what are the causes of failure of Harappan civilization? Harappan civilization, that also mark it. And here Egyptian also underline Egypt, underline pyramid and mummies. The Egyptian pyramid also underline, pyramid underline, then mummies also underline. Okay children, then match the following. Page number 42, take the page number 42. Page number 42, do the question number. Second question you have to do, match the following. Match the following. Do copper, gold, tin, precious stone is given. Mark, match it. Okay, then I will send the notes. Okay, thank you children, and read the chapter. Okay.